Hey there.
Welcome to Exciting Earnings.
You've probably seen tons of people earning money on YouTube, right? Well, here's a little secret for you. I make over $10,000 a month, all while working from home. And here's the kicker. I don't even show my face on the channel. Sounds unbelievable. Stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how to build your very own profitable YouTube channel in 2025, step by step, using easy-to-follow strategies and some game-changing tools that will make it all happen faster than you ever imagined. It's not about fancy cameras, expensive gear, or endless hours of filming. It's about smart work using the right tools and strategies. I'm talking about using AI, easy-to-use design platforms, and efficient video editing software. Today, I'll break down the entire process, from creating your YouTube channel to automating your video production, all the way to earning those sweet monthly profits. Let's dive in. When I first started on YouTube, I didn't know the first thing about creating a channel. My first video got 0 views, and I was about to give up, but I kept pushing forward, learning from my mistakes, and optimizing everything step by step. And now, well, after some trial and error, I've learned exactly what works. Fast forward to today, and I've built multiple YouTube channels that each bring in over $10,000 a month. I'm making money while I sleep, all thanks to YouTube's automated systems, and I'm going to show you how to do the same thing, even if you're just starting out. What if I told you that AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and CapCut can help you streamline the whole process? You don't need expensive equipment or complicated software to succeed. Let's break this down and show you how I use these exact tools to build my channels. You're going to be shocked by how easy it is once you have the right strategy. Step 1. Channel creation. Setting the foundation for success. Let's start with the basics. Creating your YouTube channel. This is the foundation of everything. Here's how you do it. 1. Sign in to YouTube using your Google account. If you don't have one, make sure to create a new account first. 2. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. You'll see an option to create a channel. 3. Name your channel. This is one of the most important steps, so take your time. Think about what your channel is going to focus on. Your channel name should reflect your niche and be easy to remember. For example, if your niche is motivation, you could go with something like Inspire Daily or Motivation Mastery. If you're stuck, don't worry. You can use ChatGPT for help. Type in something like, suggest a catchy YouTube channel name for a motivational channel. In seconds, ChatGPT will generate a list of unique and creative names for you to choose from. 4. After choosing your name, head to the channel description. Again, ChatGPT can be a lifesaver here. Simply ask it to write a compelling description for a motivational YouTube channel. The result will be a professional, engaging description that speaks directly to your audience without you needing to write it from scratch. Lastly, create a profile picture for your channel. This is where Canva comes in. With Canva, you can design a sleek logo or profile picture in just a few minutes. Search for templates that match your channel's vibe, whether it's bold, minimalistic, or inspiring. Step 2. Niche selection. Why your niche is key to success. Now that your channel is set up, it's time to decide what type of content you'll create. This is crucial because choosing the right niche will make or break your success on YouTube. You want a niche that's both profitable and engaging, and luckily, there are plenty of options in 2025. Here are a few highly profitable niches. Motivational content, tech tutorials and reviews, gaming, personal finance and investing, fitness and health, self-help and personal development, productivity hacks. Pick something that you're passionate about, but also make sure there's an audience for it. A niche with a broad appeal and search demand will get you the views you need to start earning money quickly. For example, if you're passionate about personal finance, there's always a huge audience looking for tips on budgeting, investing, and earning passive income. Once you've picked your niche, make sure you're niching down. Instead of just talking about health, focus on a specific aspect of health, like mental health for busy professionals. The more specific your niche, the easier it is to target the right audience. Step 3. Scripting your videos with ChatGPT. The power of AI. Next, we need to talk about scripting your videos. You could sit down, and write everything from scratch, but there's a much quicker way. ChatGPT. This AI tool can generate an entire video script for you in minutes, making the process of creating content a breeze. For example, if you want to make a video on how to achieve success in life, all you need to do is type. Write a motivational script on achieving success in life. ChatGPT will generate an engaging, structured script that you can refine and use for your video. The beauty of using ChatGPT is that it's like having a personal writer at your fingertips. You don't need to worry about writer's block or spending hours brainstorming. Once you get the script, you can tweak it to match your unique style and add personal stories if you wish. Step 4. Crafting an SEO-friendly title. Getting discovered on YouTube. Once you have your script, the next step is to optimize your video for YouTube search. SEO is the key to getting your videos noticed. If no one can find your videos, you won't make any money, no matter how good they are. Start by creating a catchy title that includes the main keyword people are searching for. For example, if your video is about success, a title like How to Achieve Success in Life, 5 Steps to a Better Future will do wonders. You can also use ChatGPT to generate SEO-friendly titles. Ask it, generate YouTube titles for a motivational video on success, and it will give you a list of attention-grabbing titles. Next, don't forget about your video description. Include relevant keywords and a brief summary of what the video is about. You can even add links to related videos and playlists to increase your channel's visibility. Be sure to ask your viewers to subscribe and hit the notification bell in your description too. Step 5. Designing a thumbnail, making your video irresistible to click. Your thumbnail is what will convince people to click on your video, so it needs to be eye-catching and professional. Luckily, Canva makes it super easy to create stunning thumbnails without needing graphic design skills. Canva offers a variety of templates, so all you need to do is choose one that fits your niche. Add bold, easy-to-read text, like 5 Steps to Success, and use bright colors to make the thumbnail pop. Canva even lets you upload your own images or use their free stock photos. Remember, your thumbnail should make people curious enough to click. So focus on creating an image that teases the value of your video. Step 6. Adding B-roll, keeping your audience engaged. Let's talk about B-roll. These are additional footage clips that you add to your video to keep things visually interesting while your main footage plays. You can find free B-roll clips on sites like Pexels and Pixabay. Here's the best part. Pictory allows you to automatically generate B-roll footage based on your script. Just upload your script, and Pictory will add in relevant B-roll to match your content. This saves you a ton of time and ensures your video looks professional. Step 7. Recording the voiceover. Free monetizable AI voices. Once your B-roll is ready, it's time to record the voiceover. You don't need fancy equipment for this. Microsoft Clipchamp is an AI tool that can generate high-quality voiceovers from your script. Just paste your script into Clipchamp, and it will create a professional voiceover that sounds natural and engaging. You can even adjust the tone and speed of the voice to fit your channel style. Step 8. Video editing. Making your content shine with CapCut. Next up, let's talk about editing. For editing, I recommend using CapCut. This easy-to-use video editor allows you to cut your video, add transitions, and spice up your visuals with effects and filters. Once your voiceover and B-roll are in place, import your footage into CapCut. Add text overlays to highlight key points, insert music to set the mood, and fine-tune the cuts so everything flows smoothly. Step 9. Publishing your video. Get out there. Now that your video is edited and ready, it's time to publish it. Make sure you're uploading at the right time to get maximum views. Consider scheduling your videos for peak hours, like during lunch breaks or after work hours, when people are most likely to watch. Once published, share your video across social media platforms, forums, and relevant groups to boost visibility. Don't forget to interact with viewers in the comments to build a loyal community. Step 10. Monetizing your channel. Turning views into revenue. Finally, it's time to monetize your channel. As you start gaining views and subscribers, you'll unlock YouTube's partner program, which allows you to earn revenue through ads. In addition to ads, you can also look into affiliate marketing or selling digital products related to your niche. For example, you could create an ebook on success and promote it in your videos. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a profitable YouTube channel in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Exciting Earnings. We're here to help you turn your passions into profits and achieve financial freedom. Thank you for watching Exciting Earnings. Your support means the world to us, and we look forward to helping you on your journey to success. See you in the next video.